Go feed him. I want everybody to see. Go give him that mouse now. Oh, that is too cute. Oh my God. I hope my film is filming this because I can't see anything because of the sun. I'm assuming that the bird is clear and that the mouths are connecting. Okay? This is like the cutest thing that you've ever seen in your entire life. It is so incredibly cute. They're just feeding this little baby bird, mouth to mouth, these two birds. I guess they're the mommy and the daddy. And he just keeps opening up his mouth and taking it. He must have just left the nest. Usually when they first leave the nest, they walk around with their mouths hanging open, and if there's a receptive, relationship there, they'll feed the bird. Thank you for tuning in to the Wildlife Channel. We really appreciate your sponsorship. If you make a small donation to the Valerie Fund, we can continue these amazing videos. Look at this. This is so great. I love this. This is so incredibly cute to me. Go fly, fly! Look at that. My mother's just having a blast feeding them. It's like sacred popcorn. Bring sacred birds. Last night I had 2 pigeons on my terrace, and my mother doesn't like pigeons for some strange reason and wanted them to go. But they were on my terrace, and I haven't seen my hawks in a long time. 2 beautiful hawks that kind of fly around this neighborhood, and sometimes they perch on my terrace, and I haven't seen them at all. I hope you can hear things that I'm saying because of the wind. You might not be able to hear anything that I'm doing. Usually I find I have to be very close to the audio for that. This is just really cute.